introduced a new tree trimming program where we've divided the whole of the Port Pirie Regional Council area into zones, and each day the tree crew will work in a zone. The aim of the new tree trimming program is that the tree crew will be able to be more efficient in their work. Rather than zigzagging across the whole council area responding and reacting to customer requests, they'll be able to carry out their works in a more programmed and planned way each day, which has benefits to the ratepayer and the community. The customer requests will be allocated to the zone. While they're in the zone, they'll also carry out what we would call proactive or preventative tree pruning. And we're hoping that over time that the need for customer requests will be reduced.
We have thousands of trees in our region, all the way from Port Pirie all the way out to Kalunga. There's 3 of us in the tree crew, and we're responsible for upkeeping and maintaining the trees, and along with all the tree planting we do. It's quite a big job. Yeah, it's worked really well. It's really organised. It allows us to go to the parks that we normally wouldn't go to, and we get to see more trees throughout the streets.
We're also looking at how we can use technology. We've now issued the tree crew with their own tablet, and they'll be able to receive the tree requests in the field.
So if you see anything in your local area and you'd like your tree to be upkept or maintained, just go visit My Local Services or call up the council and we'll do our best.